Hi guys, my name is Emilie and today I'm going to show you guys how I dyed my clip-in extensions into this custom blue color to match my own hair, and I'm also going to be answering some questions that is very commonly asked when dyeing your hair, especially fashion colors, and also when you dye your extensions. So I really hope you will enjoy this video, but first up, let's go to the bathroom and I'm going to show you guys what you will need and how you dye your clip-in extensions. If this is your first time dyeing your hair a crazy color, you will of course need inspiration photos, so you can go on Pinterest or Instagram to find them, and make a folder on your phone so you have them all in one place. Then you will need a few sets of gloves just in case one pair breaks or if you need to switch colors while dyeing your extensions. You will also need a few big plastic bags to cover the floor so you don't stain it, because they will be really hard to remove. Of course you will need the color of your choice, and these are my two personalized colors, and I have also quickly swatched them on a piece of paper for you. You will also need a paintbrush, and of course the hair extensions, and these are my double wefted 20 inches hair extensions in the color 60. This is optional, but a towel so you can clean your working surface, and gloves. So of course, first up you need to open up the pack of extensions you have and you need to separate them. I personally like to open the clips on the web so the color I dye them with won't sink into the clips and harden, which can make it hard to open the clips after the process if you do not do it. When dyeing the extensions, I like to take the smallest weft first and work my way up. I start on the inside of the weft and go in downwards motion following the hair. Then I turn them over and do the same thing on the other side to make sure there is color everywhere. To make sure that all the hair is covered, I will take some of the color in my hands and massage it into the extensions, and I will remember to open up the hair so I know that there will be no spots. I will continue to do the exact same thing on every single weft in this set. If you feel like your working surface is too messy or too slippery, just take the towel and wipe the plastic bag clean. And if you go between colors, you can just take the same towel and clean your gloves. Now that I'm finished dyeing the extensions, I personally like to wrap my extensions in the plastic bag while the color is developing, and I will let the color sit for 1 hour. When it comes to washing out the color, run the extensions under lukewarm water until the water is clear. I personally like to let my hair extensions air dry overnight, so if you need to wear your extensions a few hours after you have dyed them, of course you can just blow dry them, but remember to use heat protector on them. So that's the way I personally dye my hair extensions and the way I recommend you guys do it. If you have any concerns or questions about the process you just watched, please continue to watch this video and I might answer the question you have in mind. If not, please leave it in a comment below this video and I might answer it in a upcoming Q&A. Before we continue into this Q&A, I have to disclaim I'm not a certified hairstylist or hairdresser, so please bear that in mind, even though all my answers have been given to me by professionals. So I have all the questions here on my phone. So the first one is, how do I pick a color? So first up, you will need to figure out what your undertone and your skin tone is. So a little example for me, for example, because I am very pale naturally, more cool tones will work best with me. I will insert an example here of a good color for me and a bad color for me. In this one it is more cool and blue toned, where in this one it is more warm toned, which will not work for my skin tone personally. And then the other way you can also do it is you can go to a wig shop and then try on a lot of wigs and see what color will complement your skin tone. The next question is, what type of hair color should I pick? I would say if you would like a more natural hair color, go for permanent colors like blonde, brunette, black. But if you would like fashion colors like this one, I would totally recommend a semi-permanent color, which means it will wash out when you wash your hair. Different colors take different times, so a pastel pink will probably take 5 to 10 washes depending on the brightness of the color. And then, for example, this blue one will take a lot longer. For example, this color in my own hair, I have washed it three times since I have dyed it, and I can't see any difference when I have dry hair, but when I'm in the shower I can just see the blue fading. So this will take a lot longer for me to get out, and I will probably never get it out because blue and greens are really stubborn, so they will stain your hair, so please do bear that in mind. The next one is how to avoid hair color stains on my skin. So when you dye your hair, especially fashion colors, you will tend to get stains all around your skin, which will stay on for quite some time. So what I will recommend that you use is some Vaseline, and you just take it along your hairline and on your ears, neck, and also maybe a little bit on this part of your face, just so if you get hit with color, it will not stain. The moment you hit your hair, the hair color will not take to that place. So if you have baby hairs and they will be covered in Vaseline, they will not take to the hair color. Should I bleach my hair myself? No, don't. Unless you are a professional, do it, but if you're not, don't. Bleach is something you need to know the technical sides of, I would say. So please do go to a hairdresser. It will save you a lot of money in the long run, even though you might not think that. But if you mess up at home, you will probably have to pay even more than what you would do at your hairdresser for just one time. So the next question is how to do fashion colored hair. So basically fashion colored hair is your crazy colors like blue, green, purple, yellow, pink. And if you would like a bright color like this one, for example, you will need to be a level 9 or 10. Those two colors are the lightest one you can get. But if you can only get to a level 9, I will say use a purple shampoo to remove the yellow undertones in the hair. But if you would like more of a blush tone, you can go no darker than a level 7. I will put a picture right here of my blushed color in my a level 7.5, 8-ish color. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please again leave them below and I will try and answer them in an upcoming video. And I hope you all have an awesome day and see you guys next time. Bye!